If you want your project topic to be approved faster without endless back and forth with your supervisor, then you need to watch this video to the end. Because in this video, I'm going to be showing you the 7 secret steps in choosing a winning research topic. In my last video, I talked about the 4 things that supervisors look for in a project topic. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can actually choose a winning research topic. The truth is, most students struggle because they don't know the rules. They pick vague topics, copy old ones, or some even choose topic that does not even fit their department. And guess what? Rejection after rejection. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome to Researchable Academy, a channel dedicated for final year and master students to help them in their research projects. I want you to hit the like button, subscribe, because every week I'm going to be dropping tutorials and you don't want to miss that. I've seen so many students choosing topic outside the department, choosing broad topic that can be researched, or even something that they cannot even find data for. And what happens? Delay, stress, even graduation setbacks. But here's the good news. If you choose a smart project topic, then approval comes faster and the project work gets easier. And that's what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So let's get started. Step 1. Stay within your department and area of interest. Now, the first thing I want you to do for me is to write down your department. Oh, I'm in food science and technology. I'm in agricultural economics and farm management. I'm in agricultural extension. I'm in crop protection. Whatever your department is, just write it down. I'm in accounting, any department, write it down. Once you've written your department down, then you want to pick an area of interest in your department. Now, most departments have different areas of specializations. Like in agricultural economics, there is production economics, there's food security, there's gender economics, etc. That areas in your department, you start noticing all these areas in your course forms. All these areas are in your department. Now you want to pick the parts in your department that you really like. Then you want to find a topic around that area. So for example, gender economics, I already know that gender is going to be talking about women. So I want to find a research topic around rural women or women in general. You understand? I want to find something around that area. So it's something that you actually enjoy. That's what you want to work on, because if you pick a project topic that you don't enjoy, you will not enjoy the process of your research. That's the thing. So once you've done that, there's no way you're going to bring a topic that is not in your department or your own area of interest. Step 2. Identify a real problem that needs solving. Now that you've stayed within your department and picked an area of interest, then you want to find a problem in that area of interest. The whole purpose of research is to solve problems. So research is basically problem solving. Now you want to find a problem in that area, then you want to solve it with your own research. Now you don't want to go broad, like saying effect of social media on students. You want to be specific. Effect of Instagram usage on all final year students in LASU. You get me? You want to be specific. You don't want to go broad. You want to ensure that your research is actually solving a particular problem. That will make the research clear, measurable, and researchable. Step 3. Review past projects and literature. Once you've done step 1 and step 2, now you want to look for projects that people have done as regards your area of interest or the problem that you're trying to solve. Now, I believe every department has resource lab. Resource lab is the place that all past projects are being stored, including the masters, the PhD projects, everything are being stored in resource lab. So you want to find your departmental resource lab, then you want to go there and look for projects that people have done relating to your area of interest. You can also check Google Scholar, academia.edu, ResearchGate. You want to look at what people have done, where the research gap is, was overused, etc. in that area of interest. Like I said in my previous video here, supervisor approves faster when they see relevance and originality. Step 4. Define your topics with variables. A strong dissertation topic often links 2 or more variables, the independent variable and the dependent variable. For example, let's look at this research topic, the effect of time management on academic performance of final year students in FUNAB. The independent variable here is time management, while the dependent variable is academic performance. So you want to link your project topic with variables. There has to be variables on there. This structure is easy to understand and supervisor approves projects like this faster. Step 5. Check data availability before you submit. Now, fancy topics won't help you if you cannot find data for them. So you want to check the data availability of your research topic. You can ask yourself, can I get real data for this? For example, the effect of time management on academic performance of final year students in FUNAB. Now I already know that I'm going to design a questionnaire to my respondents, which are final year students in FUNAB. So this is actually researchable. This is something I can get data for. You want to check for your data availability before you submit. Step 6. Understand university requirements and supervisor style. It is very important to understand your university requirements and most importantly, your supervisor style. That's why in step 3, we said you should review your past projects and literature. Now, when you review the past projects that people have done in your department and your area of interest, you already have an idea on your university requirements. Now, to your supervisor style, you can simply do this trick. You can search your supervisor's name on Google Scholar. When you search your supervisor's name on Google Scholar, you see the projects that your supervisor have published. Then you already know these are our area of interest and style. Then you want to also consider that as well, because most times supervisor likes working on their own area of interest. So you also want to put that into consideration. Step 7, refine, test, and pitch your topic. You don't want to rely on one topic idea. You can generate 2, 3, even 5 project topics and refine them. Then ask yourself these questions. Can I get real data for this? Am I genuinely interested in this? Is it original and specific? If your answer is yes to all, then you've learned yourself some good topics. Then you can prepare a 30-second pitch for maybe 1 or 2 of the topics and go and pitch it to your supervisor. If you can explain your topic clearly and confidently, then your supervisor will likely approve it on the spot. Quick hack: when reading journal articles, scroll down to the further research is needed section. That's when you are going to find ready-made research gaps that you can turn into an approved topic. Don't tell anybody about this. So those are the 7 steps to choosing a winning research topic. 1. Stay within your department. 2. Solve real problem. 3. Review past projects. 4. Define your variables. 5. Check data availability. 6. Understand your university and supervisor's requirements. And 7. Refine, test, and pitch your topic. So if you follow these 7 steps, you're likely going to get your project topic approved fast on the spot. I can guarantee you that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and also turn on the post notification, because we are going to be dropping gems like this every week, and you don't want to miss that. I still remain your humble boy, Olarinwaju Ahmed, and this is Expressify Academy. See you in the next video. Ciao.